everybody! So as you know, our plans have changed. We're not on the boat. We are leaving for some shopping to see if we can get a cable for the gear shifter, because that seems to be what broke on the boat. So we're gonna probably go to Annapolis just because I like it there. But that's our plan for the day. Do some boat shopping and Annapolis. I'm gonna get some caramel apples. I love those things. Before we scared away by walking on the dock, look at this giant blue heron. Just like sunning himself. His wings all out. Isn't that crazy? We met some of our neighbors at the T-dock, and they said that two bald eagles are making a nest up here somewhere in these trees. I just saw one fly out, but I still can't see its nest. Well, that's pretty cool. I hope it was something to watch. Maybe it's like right there. I think I might see it. I don't know. Lots of birds to watch around here though. I like this place. Since our vacation took a different turn, we are not on the boat. We decided to work on a few projects here at the campsite. So I got some really pretty flowers. I gotta get a hanger to hang those. I got a new storage bin for all of my kitchen dishes, stuff like that, items. This bin is for our food. We were able to create a bunch more storage space in this cabinet that we already had that is locked, so so that's good. That's where all the pots and pans and dishes used to be. Now we have a lot more space and it's a lot more organized. And then come around back here, we also got a new shed for all of this stuff that used to be taking up space all right here, such as gas cans, you know, yard things. So this is the new shed. So yeah, campsite's looking nice. And there's Sophia. So those are the upgrades we've done today. Since we weren't on the boat, we were spending more time here at the campsite. So while Kurt is working on leveling the shed, I'm going to the swimming pool. Because it's hot. Pool's basically empty, which is pretty nice. Taking a break from doing anything. It's getting hot. I'm so excited on a cool day. So we're on our way to BOE Marine to get a cable replacement so we can actually go into reverse for the motor, and we're going to see if they have the parts that we need. So yeah, stay tuned. This place looks good. Checking out these boats that are for sale. And I was all like, come on Kurt, let's go look at this one. That one right there. And he's all like, no. Maybe in 10 years we'll get a bigger boat. 10 years, when we're 50. Yep. We ate our lunch here at Fisherman's Inn and Crab Deck. It was really good. Had a salmon BLT. Kurt had blackened chicken. Kent Island. It's a pretty cool little place to stop. Wish we could have taken our boat down here, but alas, it's not in the plans. Talked to the people at BOE and they don't have the parts here right now, so they're gonna order them. Hopefully in 2 to 3 days they'll have them, then we can come pick them up and then we can install them on the motor and be back in business for boating. Kurt's impressed. So we came to Annapolis just to walk around, get some caramel apples. This is the main dock. We came here last year too on our vacation when the weather kept us from boating. Now our boat is keeping us from boating. But highly recommend coming to Annapolis. It's really cool. Got a lot of really good restaurants, really good shops, lots of history, lots of architecture. Nice city. It's the sailboat capital of the world, I think. Got lots of ducks. All these slips you can rent, so you can just come here and grab a slip and you'll be right in the center of town. This is also where they have the Annapolis boat show in the spring and the fall. All the boats are like filled in here. It's really crazy how they park so many boats like all in this area. Like it's nothing but boats and docks that you can walk on. It's really cool to see how it transforms. Plenty of mooring buoys out there. Look at all the caramel apples. They cut it up for you if you ask them to, so then you can eat it right away. Alright, back on the boat. Got all this stuff on here. I'm gonna work on putting the mattress topper up here on the berth and open this hatch so we can cool down here. It is 88, even though it's only like 78 outside. Yeah, get some breeze in here. I got a new 12-volt fan to kind of hang off the hatch here so that even on days when it's not really windy, we can still get some airflow coming through this hatch into the rest of the boat. So hopefully that'll work. This is the fan that I got from Walmart. It's just on the go clip fan with LED light. It oscillates. It can be, you know, down, sideways. I got it to kind of replace these fans that we had. They are smaller, they're rechargeable, they don't really oscillate very well, and the little hook that's built in is like the most awkward hook. It doesn't really, like, it never clips on like the way that you want it to. So hopefully this fan will be a nicer addition. So far I like it a lot. It clips on the little arm for the hatch window and it'll point directly at me. It can even be rotated down and can blow on me while I'm laying here. But for right now I just want to try it out in this position to see how much airflow it brings throughout the boat. It's nice. It's only on 2 right now. I can feel it blowing on me really well. The clamp is really strong too, so that's nice. It also has a little hook on the back here, so you could just hang it from like a string or something if you had that option or need. And then the light works really well. There's like 3 settings for how bright you want it, and then there's also a timer. So pretty cool. Here it is on the fastest. It's nice. Now it's off. Yeah, good purchase. Might get a few more, put them around, maybe up there at the companionway. Kurt's cleaning up. He's emptying out the cooler and putting more ice in it. Kurt's trying to watch the Phillies and the Red Sox game. Unfortunately, it keeps freezing because our internet's not so good out here. But I am enjoying some wine. The sun's going down. Pretty nice day. Even though our boat didn't go anywhere and is still on the mooring ball all day long. But it's always fun hanging out on the boat regardless, so this is good. So staying in the boat is over. We are getting the boat all packed up. So all the bedding's put away, except for the berth. It just stays that way. Kurt's taking down the solar panel, and then we are gonna lock it up.
Vacation is over.
It's over. We are heading home because it's too hot. We can't handle it.